Welcome to Tool Spec. Hey, I got a new project from OLSA Tool and you have to see this. So you're working around and you get tools all over the place. You might kick them around because they're in your way. Well, to fix the problem, you can use this magnetic silicone tool holder. You just put it on a metal surface and now you can put all of your tools on it. And it just holds them right out of your way. Nice and handy, eh? Now the magnet on this is super strong, so what they did is here they have a little spot to put your finger so that you can pry it out. Now it's easy to remove. Because if you try to remove it straight, it's very hard. Because it's made out of silicone, it will not scratch the paint. So like always, like, subscribe. We'll see you in the next video. I got a lot more tools to review.